Hi guys, today we're gonna play My Singing Monsters. And today, I'm gonna open my Gadzooks egg and we're gonna play many things. We're gonna play the game, very long, and there's gonna be very much things that we're gonna do in this video. Also, Son Goku, if you're watching this, you know that I'm your friend, Secrets, right? Also, this is my voice over to Son Goku. Yep. So, this is my island. I don't have a Gadzooks, but it's time to hatch my Gadzooks egg. And I think I know what he sounds like. He's like a beat and type of beat and things. Yeah, like that. I also hear the sound, the background. I also see the bit. Yeah, everyone. Let's place Gadzooks down. Let's go. Oh, okay. Cool. Maybe there's something else. Let's spin it till we get something. Okay, we got. I don't know what the heck was that. Okay. So I'll go back. Also, if you want to add me, this is my profile. If you want to add me and give also torches to me and things. Or, I mean... Oh, hell no. Bye. Okay, I guess now we gotta, yeah, right here. This is my profile if you want to add me. My favorite treble power. You can see everything right here. Maybe you can't see it in the video. Oh, we got a good song. Yeah. Okay, let's go to right here. It has Plasma Islet, a cool islet that have been. Let me just. This is gonna be bad. If you want to be okay, let's see. Let's go! Let's go! We got it back! Okay. And a new monster! Go! Yep, so just look, there's many things. Also, Son Goku, if you're watching this, actually, this is my voice. You're gonna be very excited when I say my voice. Like, I'm saying my voice right now to Son Goku, my friend in Roblox. Yeah, if he's gonna watch this right now. Okay, which island should we go to? I mean, Magical Nexus is nothing here. Sugar Fish. Let's go to Plant Island because there's a diamond and also ethereal. Yeah. Why is there ads? Oh my goodness. Punch that exit button. Punch that X button. I'm getting so much feel. I love this cutscene. It was an old cutscene, right? cutscene actually. Okay. What the heck is this? We're gonna end the video soon, but there wasn't that much things. I'm gonna do a part 2, okay guys? Then we're gonna go. Oh my god! What the heck? That's trash! Okay, goodbye. Minutes. Goodbye and